Hey y'all, so tonight we are going to make a Copycat Little Caesars cheese bread. We will probably use this recipe a lot through the summer since school's about to get out. Something good and quick on those days that we go swimming or something. But let's get to it and let me show you how to make it. Okay, so it doesn't take much. All you need is a pizza crust, and I've got the Pillsbury Classic crust. Some mozzarella cheese, of course, which I already had in my fridge. Some Italian seasoning. I've got the Great Value kind. And then you're just gonna need some butter, maybe a half a stick. Let's grab our sheet pan and go ahead and put our crust on. And I've got my oven preheated to 400. So go ahead and put your oven on 400. And this paper always lays a lot better if you go ahead and just wad it up and then straighten it out and put it on. Y'all, look at my new rug that my daughter got me for Mother's Day. Is it not the cutest? I love it. Love the chickens. Anything with chickens on it, so cute. Alright, so now we're just going to take a fork and go around and poke holes into the crust. Okay, I've got my butter on, and you could add garlic right here if you want to. Add your garlic in with your butter, but you don't have to. So now I've got my butter on. I'm going to go ahead and put my Italian seasoning. Now we're going to go in with the cheese. Okay, now I'm going to go over the top with some Italian. Okay, now I'm going to go add some Parmesan on the top. Okay, y'all, so our oven is ready. It's on 400, and we're going to stick this in the oven until it gets a golden brown. I am going to time it for maybe about 10 minutes, and then I'll check it. So while the cheese bread is in the oven, let me show you real quick what I got at Trader Supply, my new solar light. I just love it. Here it is. And they have different colors too. They have a copper, they have green, they have a cream color, but I like the black and I just love it. I thought it was so cute. Okay, so let's go back in and see how the cheese bread is doing. Ooh, it's looking good, y'all. I'm just gonna grab my pizza cutter. I went ahead and poured me a little bit of marinara. Ooh, don't that look good?